How to add text on DaVinci Resolve. So first things first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly head over to the media pool on the timeline. And from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to import a media from my file right here. Let me quickly add this video onto my timeline to work with. So we're going to change the project frame rate. You can choose to not change it, but I want to keep it consistent. Next up, I am going to drag and drop it down to the timeline so I can work with it. Now that we have it here, from here, I'm gonna make sure that I'm into the edit section. On the bottom hand of the screen, I'm gonna go ahead onto the edit section. And once we're into the edit section, what we're gonna do is we're gonna head over onto the left-hand side of the editing section where onto the toolbox, I'm gonna navigate all the way down to titles. In the toolbox section, I have option to display the titles onto the lower third or to the scroll or the text. What I'm going to do is I'm going to simply select the text and drag and drop it onto the title. So I'm going to drop and add this specific scroll time. And this is it. This is how you can simply add in text into DaVinci Resolve. You can even write the text down. You can also select the different type of styles that you want. You can choose to put it in between the video, the start of the video, at the end of the video. So yeah,